story of New Zealand, the country of open spaces, open hearts and open minds, strongly resonates with the story of Tumblar Products New Zealand. Pioneering spirit and Kiwi can-do attitude runs in the DNA of the company for nearly 40 years. From incredible yet humble beginnings, Tumblar has built its impeccable credibility and world-class reputation, focusing on collaboration, utmost attention to quality and all aspects of manufacturing modernisation, with its unshakable commitment to customer service in New Zealand and around the world. Today, using creative chemistry, Tumblar leads the way in the manufacture and supply of home care and agricultural applications and solutions, all underpinned by our sustainability and transparency culture.
Hi, I'm Nick Cairns. I'm the General Manager of Tumblar Products.
With a dynamic and highly experienced senior management team with global experience, Tumblar is set to continue the legacy of our founder John Smith. Our vision is to be world-class trusted custodians where we strive to be the best in everything we do, while staying nimble and focusing on our customers' and partners' brands and products. In line with our values and relentless pursuit of excellence, we continue to search and apply sustainability wherever possible to our processes and practices. We are also strategically aligned to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. As Tumblar continues to reinvest, self-assess and drive innovation, creativity and team collaboration play an integral part on our journey. Welcome to the country that drives ingenuity. Welcome to Tumblar, where you see Kiwi Ingenuity every day.